Hello guys, and welcome to another video by Scrapping with Kids. We've just gone to one of the local areas and as you can see there is actually hard rubbish pretty much everywhere around the street. So what we're gonna do is, me and my little one,
back in the car.
no, don't go across the road, just wait. We're gonna go for a bit of a walk and see what's out there. Come on, Luca, come, let's go have a look.
Back in the car. Daddy, don't have this.
What is that?
You grabbed fishes with it.
You grab fishes with that?
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. There's some rope there. A lot of the stuff has already been picked by the looks of it. There's not much, not many good things anyway, so. What did you find?
Let's see what's in.
What's inside there?
Look,
What is that?
amber nose.
Did you find something?
Yes,
Cool.
right here.
Oh look, there's a cord. We found our first cord. Hey.
What is the heart?
What is behind?
It counts.
There's not much, come on. Looks like a bike frame, but
And then
that's about it. Heaps of metal, if anyone is interested in picking up metal. Okay, so we have another pile here. Looks like there was a nice little Logitech gaming steering wheel, the pedals, but somebody's gone and cut the cords, as you can see. So the cord cutters have done the damage already. This would have been pretty good. As I was saying before, there seem to have been quite a few scrappers around here, so the majority of the cords have been taken. Yeah, cords have been cut. Okay. There's a cord, somebody left a cord there. All these bike rims actually aluminium, so there's a bit of aluminium there, which is good, we'll take them. Just a bit of an update on what we've collected so far. We've got another golf buggy in here. We've got this little bike that my son's picked up. We've got this car ramp, which will come in handy because last week at the farm I had to do a bit of work on the ride-on mower and I needed something to to get access from underneath, you know. There's a few cords, not many. As I said, the cord cutters have already done the job by the looks of it. A couple of DVD players, got those aluminium rims underneath there. And we have this dog house, which we're going to turn into a chook house in the farm. So yeah, not too bad so far. There's hard rubbish, as you can see, pretty much on every house. So there's a bit for everyone really, so I'm not too concerned. A few little weights here for working out, we'll take them. There's also a weight bar here and a dumbbell. So some brand new tiles. Somebody's working on the kitchen, so maybe another person will come past and grab those. Okay. So we'll take that. What else is there in here? There's a little trike. Oh, and guess what? The cord is still in there. Wow, can't believe they didn't pick that up. Alright, let's cut that cord and then we'll keep going down the street. It's a nice morning here in Melbourne, so that helps. We've got another court and look what I found. This is one of these little boards with it's on paddle as well. So this is in very good nick. Last time I picked up one of these, I think it was a slightly larger one, but it sold really quickly, so I think I got about $140 for it. This is really good. It's a bit dirty, some leaves on it, but that's okay once it cleans up. This is awesome. Alright, let's keep going. How's this pile? There's actually some furnaces here, old furnaces, electric and gas. I might pick them up. So we just got home and just wanted to show you guys what we've managed to pick up. So we've got a board which is really cool, I think, and we've got this dog house, but it's in a really good nick. So as I said earlier, we're gonna try and make a chicken coop out of it. Inside the coop we've got I don't know if you can see, guys, but we found a couple of furnaces, electric furnaces that was thrown out, which I thought was really good. There's the other one here, but this one, it's got actually a handle that you can, I guess, flip it down like a cement mixer, which I've never seen before. But the cord has been cut, so I'm not sure if we can get this thing working, but we'll definitely have a look. That's a really good find. Maybe we can even make a gas one out of it. Drill a hole in it or something, but we'll see. Don't know much about these, so I've never done any melting. Maybe street copper can give me some advice. Is this any good? And what we can maybe do with it. There's quite a lot of, I don't know, looks like cracks, but I'm not sure. As I said, don't know much about him. We've got a buggy, golf buggy. We've got the car ramps. We've got some aluminium rims under there. We've got some cords. We've got some cords, some DVD players. We've picked up some weights, and we've also picked up a couple of alternators. So that was a bit of a bonus find there. We didn't stay too long because my little one was getting a bit cranky, so we ended up leaving. And last but not least, we found a PC. So, looks like it's a bit of an oldie, so I'm hoping there's some nice things inside there. So, not a bad day overall. Couple of nice finds. A lot of scrappers out. Majority of the cords have been. Oh look, it does have a hole. There you go. We'll see what we can make out of this. But a lot of cord cutters. All the cords have been cut. So we still managed a little bit, which is good. Overall, not a bad day. We enjoyed it. So hope you guys enjoy this. For the Melbourne Scrappers, this was all found down Frankston Way, so if you go on down there, you won't find many cords, but you're bound to find something. So, alright, we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and bye for now.